Hello parents, this is Miss Prater here, and I know many of you may be wondering, what can I do to help my child in math and ELA? So I'm going to show you some sites that may be beneficial. One of them is LearnZillion. So if you go through LearnZillion, click on the search bar, you can type in things like rounding, adding, and subtracting, and it'll pull up various videos. Now, it would only show you a portion of the videos unless you create an account. And that would be something that you could do in your own time to make sure your child is successful. The next website is one of our favorites. It's Khan Academy. So if you come to Khan Academy and search for things like, I looked up rounding, and you click on it, this one says rounding whole numbers. If you go over to the left hand side in this bar, it'll tell you the subject area, the grade level, and then if you see a play sign next to it, it's a video. If you see a pencil like here, it actually gives the child practice problems to work on. Okay, now Reflex is something we use to build fluency at school, so that way they know what 5 plus 2 is without counting on their fingers. And then when we get to multiplication, same thing. So they actually have a login for this one, so they'd go to reflexmath.com, come over here to student login. Now when they get here, their username is tprater, so TPRATER. Once that comes up, it will give them either Miss Tucker or it'll say Miss Prater's class. They'll find the class, find their name, and type in their password, which is their 745 number. Since we use it at school, they should already know this, and then they can play the games to build their fluency. All right, Education Galaxy is another program that we use actually in math and in ELA. So for this one, most of their logins, once they click here, will be their first dot, their last name, and then their passwords for many of them, once again, is their 745 number. If you try the 745 number and it doesn't work, try Nights with an S on the end or Nights 1. And they're able to go into the My Galaxies tab and try to move their rockets, that's what we call it, to make sure they master each standard. For ELA specifically, you can go to readtheory.org. So if your child has trouble with comprehension questions and they're not always sure exactly what they read, you can go here and create a free account. They don't already have a login, so you'd have to go online yourself and create a parent account. And then this site helps with comprehension. If spelling is an issue for them, they can go to spellingcity.com and once again create a parent account. I love this site because you can put in all the spelling words and they make various games that the kids can play, but it will help reinforce the correct spelling of different words. So if you have any other questions, please feel free to reach out to myself or Ms. Tucker, but definitely try these websites that I've shown you here today. Also make sure they're doing their homework every day, and of course homework is due on Friday for both classes, and we're definitely here to support you. So you guys enjoy the rest of your evening. Bye-bye.